Gauge playback, they're open racing. Show me the money, showing speed. Remind me. Now party outside. Passing the winning post. Remind me. Takes up the running bar line, followed now by Oye Como Ba. Running bar will show me the money. Kai Inday is in between runners. Dancing Rugs and Absolute. That favorite is running in the tail of the field. Out straight they travel. Remind me. Leading by line, followed by Oye Como Ba. Running by the wheel, third is Show Me the Money. Moving up now in fourth, Kai Inday. Absolute now moving up on the outside to take tip, while Dancing Rugs is now running in the tail of the fielder. Down the half mile they travel. It's the Remind Me. A long shot leads by Falanka, followed by Oye Como Ba. Moving up, Show Me the Money. Kai Inday. Absolute na the outside, and Dancing Rugs inside the last 600. Remind Me, Celine front by Alenka, followed by Show Me the Money. Here comes Kai Inday. Dancing Rugs is sneaking in now. A long shot runner also as they hit the final turn. Remind Me. Dancing Rugs moving up by Ruda. It's now Dancing Rugs leading the pack, followed by Show Me the Money. Remind Me. Kai Inday, Oye Como Ba, Absolute, but still Dancing Rugs. And finally it's Dancing Rugs. Show Me the Money, Absolute, Kai Inday, Remind Me, and Oye Como Ba.
Wow. 2-1.
2163.
Okay. Forecast estimate.